Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for my new subscribers. I see you all, and thank you for my last video. I appreciate you. I can see that you all are enjoying this act of us going into our closet and restyling what we already own. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing the same thing. Sis, yes, I use that word a lot. Sis, you do have this in your closet. It might not be the same texture, it might not be the same material, but I'm telling you, you have this type of dress in your closet. So every way that I'm going to be styling this dress, I will make sure they're very functional and very practical, because if we do DIY, sometimes they are not functional, some of them are not practical, that if you walk from my A to my B, it might be dropping off or it will go back to its natural stage. But on this video, where I'm going to be restyling, I will try as much as I can. I'll make it more practical and more functional for you all. Yes, sis, you do have this dress in your closet. Like I said before, it might not be the same texture, it might not be the same material, it might not be the same length, but you want something similar like this in your closet. So today you're going to see how you can get the value for your money. Please don't forget to like. Also, please share if you don't mind, because some people might find it either entertaining, informative, or educative. All right, ladies, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So ladies, here's the dress. It's a two dress. Okay, this is how this is looking. This one is from Express. You have your own brand in your closet already, and if you don't have it, you're looking for something similar, maybe I can be able to find something similar and put the link in the description box. I am not promising that. Like, the shape is like a fish style. I don't know, is that what we'll call it? Okay, how this one is looking, and this is what we're going to be working with today. I don't have an idea of how many times I'm going to style it, but we're going to rock with this boat. Yes, we're going to rock it. And you all know that you can actually wear this. The first thing that will come into somebody's mind is the skirts. So let's do that first, then we hype it up. All right, ladies, so here I styled it to the black top. You could do whatever color of top that you have, but the bottom line here is that we turn it into a skirt. The word that I was using for, the word that I was looking for before was a mermaid style, not fish. All right, it goes together anyway. This is how I will style it first. I just push the two dress a little down right here, and I pop the top on it, and this is how this is looking. To wear it as a skirt, I like to use this nude shoe because it goes with everything, and you know the attention is not on the shoe, it's on the dress. So I'm not going to go ahead switching shoes, so I'll just stay with the basic color like nude and black. Name a better duo. So why do you can also pick up a blazer of your choice in your closet and pop it on top of this to go to work.
We do this dance, are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance, don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to, do I really want you? When you know that I do, you so scared of real love.
And right here, I pop in an halter neck, which you all hold in your closet. I believe most of us, we own this in our closet. It's just that some of us might want to be more conservative and we'll put blazer on it just to cover up a little bit. But if you are the type that you would like to show a little bit of skin, just like I am, I love to show a little bit of skin. So this is how you will restyle it.
What can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied.
Here is another way I will style it, ladies. You can have a sheer dress, sheer top in your closet. It could be a long sleeve or short sleeve, and this is the one I have in my closet that I feel like I want to match with this to give you this look. This actually I own it since 4 or 5 years. I purchased it on Fashion Nova, and I've been using it to restyle multiple outfits since then. And you see how it came in handy for me today? It just gave this look, it took this look to another level entirely. You would have thought that they made it together. Look at the back.
And in my heart I feel you lie, though I knew the whole day.
What do you all think, ladies? Please, if you're still watching up until this time, please do not forget to subscribe if you are coming across my video for the very first time. And also, please do like this video. If you don't mind, share it for me, please. Because some people can come across it. It might be entertaining or informative or educative for them. What do you all think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Actually, I love this look. It just elevated the tube dress. It took it to another level entirely. If I was going to really style this going out, I'm going to wear a shoe that matches this. But because we're talking about this dress, I don't want to start taking shoes and purses. You know, the attention is that we are restyling this tube dress. We are taking this tube dress to another level.
Sometime, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets.
So in this one, this is a skirt, and I'm going to be putting it on top of this. It's very easy. All you have to do is go like that, and you have to fix it. I have three many ways that I want to style this particular skirt on top of this tube dress. This first one, I feel like it's not going to be very practical, especially if you're going to be moving around a lot. So I have another way and another way to style it. But let me show you this first. So if you have a leopard skirt at home, you can pair it with this tube dress again because it's black. All right. And this is the first one. I said if you're moving around a lot, it might not be functional because this might pop back up here. You know, we're just restyling this and trying to get the worth for our hard-earned money. All right, getting the value for our money. You all know on this channel we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, and that's why we style dresses and outfits in multiple ways on this channel. Okay, look at this. When you're moving around a lot, it might not be that functional, like, you know. And this is how I'm going to restyle it to make it more functional. So I chose to use my left side. It's more comfortable for me that way. And this is how this is looking. You can move around a lot with this. You don't have to worry that it's going to pop up. This is very functional. And if you want to show a little bit of, you know, you want your shape to show more, as in your waist, and you feel like this is taking too much, just put a belt on it and you're good to go.
And your family helped you do this, since you don't think you should live different.
And if the last style is not your kind of jam, like you don't like it, it doesn't suit your kind of style, all you can do is just pop on a cape. This is ready-made. This I bought it from Macy's. It's been a while ago that I own it, and I've been using it to restyle so many outfits.
Leave what's left for me when it all ends.
If you like, you can turn it around again. It's going to give you another look. I've done that in one of my videos before. You just have to flip it around.
Tell me, what can I do now?
Also, you can pop in a waistcoat. It could be of any color. Remember, this dress is black, so any color of waistcoat that you pop on it will still work for it.
Need some real ones on your side.
And you might have seen this concept in one of my videos before. So if you have a slit dress, you can actually do this too if it suits your style. I love it. All right, ladies, I wanted to show you first. This is a regular white long sleeve shirt. I purchased this on Fashion Nova as well several years ago, and I've been restyling it so many ways. Does not have this in their closets. I believe most of us, or all of us, we own this in our closet. And let's say I'm going to use it to rock this dress that we're styling today. So ladies, this is how this is looking. All I did was tuck it in, you know, button up my shirt all the way up. I used this bow tie that came with another dress that I own, so I just took it out of that dress and I pop it on top of this. You could use a bow tie that's bigger than this if you have one. It's still going to look very perfect, but this is the only thing I have at home that I feel like it will go with what I'm going for. And this is how this is looking. This is what we call the preppy look. If I'm right, tell me in the comment section. If I am wrong, I am very open to critical, you know, positive critical, yes, because it will help me to get better. All right, ladies, what do you all think? This is a preppy look. I think
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember.
So right here I pop in a fake collar. This I purchased it on Temu. I featured it on this channel before. I'll put the link in it somewhere so that you can see it, how it looks before I pop it on here. Hopefully I remember. And I pop in a fake sleeve as well. This is the other one that I'm about to put on this side just for you all to see, and you are going to see how this look is giving. Honestly, it is giving. It is giving.
Well, you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine.
Ladies, this is back to its original stage of how it was supposed to be used, but in another twist. All right, so I turned into a short dress, and in this video I chose to go with this just to complete the look, because this is our final look. What do you all think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
Show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.